Welcome back! Today we're going birding at the Hickory Ridge Golf Course. Let's take a look at what we'll need today. Today I'm going to be bringing along a Birds of Illinois field guide to help us identify anything we find, a notebook with pencil to write down our findings from today, as well as a cell phone or some sort of camera. This will help us take close-up pictures to better be able to identify them later. A pair of binoculars might help too if you have them. And don't forget to bring plenty of water. Today we're at the Hickory Ridge Golf Course in Carbondale, Illinois. It's a beautiful winter day and we're going to be looking for our winter songbirds. Pay special attention to woodland areas or areas with greenery or shrubbery. You can find birds from anywhere from the forest floor to the top of the highest treetops, and even just by scanning the sky. Be sure to be extra quiet and careful when you walk through the forest. Let's see what we can find. Today out at Hickory Ridge Golf Course, we spotted a northern cardinal, a blue jay, a pileated woodpecker, and a bunch of Carolina chickadees. Here's what they sound like. See what you can find.